Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying Excel is installed and updated. This prevents feature mismatch. Open or create the workbook you'll use and set autosave to a short interval because recovery matters. Next, organize sheets. Name them clearly, color code tabs, and hide or protect unused sheets. This reduces errors as you build. Once done, set a consistent file naming convention so you can track versions and return quickly if you need to undo changes. You now structure the workbook so calculations flow. Convert ranges to tables to auto-expand formulas and use structured references. This makes maintenance easier. Insert formulas like SUM, average, and IF for logic, and use XLOOKUP or VLOOKUP to pull related records. Explain why. It centralizes calculations and avoids duplicated data. Make sure to add data validation and conditional formatting to prevent bad. You finish by summarizing and automating repetitive work. Build pivot tables and charts for quick insights and refresh any external connections to keep numbers current. Record simple macros or use Power Query to automate import and transform steps. That saves time on repeat tasks. If things go wrong, first show formulas and trace precedents to find broken links, then inspect named ranges and table references. This isolates the issue fast. Finally, save a version copy and document key formulas so you can recover or hand off the file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.